Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Eng Talk Room. Today, we're going to start with something very important for your English journey. Our topic is English alphabets, from A to Z. Many adults think alphabets are too basic, but strong pronunciation and confident speaking always start with the basics. So relax, listen carefully, and practice with me. In English, there are 26 letters, from A to Z. Every English word, every sentence, and every conversation is built using these letters. If your alphabet sounds are clear, your English will sound clear and natural. Let's begin with vowels. There are 5 vowels in English: A, E, I, O, and U. Every English word has at least one vowel. Vowels are the heart of pronunciation, so listen to their sounds carefully. The remaining letters are called consonants. There are 21 consonants in English. They work together with vowels to form clear and meaningful words. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hat, I for ice, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, M for mango, N for nest, O for orange, P for pen, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for table, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for x-ray, Y for yellow, Z for zebra. English uses capital letters and lowercase letters. Capital letters are used at the beginning of a sentence and for names. Lowercase letters are used in regular writing. Strong alphabet pronunciation helps you with spelling, listening, and speaking confidently. Fluent English always starts with strong fundamentals. Now, repeat after me. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant. Great job! Practice every day for better results. Learning English takes time. Mistakes are part of the process. Be patient with yourself. Consistency is more important than speed.
That's all for today. In the next episode, we'll focus on English sounds and pronunciation. If you found this lesson helpful, like the video, subscribe, and share it. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next class.